Hello, hi everyone. So today video is all about how to resize image in Paint. Guys, if you want to apply online for any job, they want the picture of you. So you have to decrease the property or size of the picture. So how can you decrease the size of the picture in Paint? First of all, just open the picture, right click on the picture, open with Paint. I will show you the properties of this picture. So this is the picture, guys. We have to decrease the size of this picture, and the size is around 17 KB, and we want to resize the image into like 10 KB. So we just right click on the resize and we select the pixels, and we want to change resize, and so we want to decrease the size 200 and just click on the OK. Now the size of the picture is decreased, and you just have to save this picture. Just Sergeant Control S, file, save as, and just save on the desktop at resize image and click save. So your picture will be saved here. Now you can check this picture. Yeah, now the size of the picture is decreased, and you can apply for any post, whatever post you want to apply that. I just want to check the properties. Now the size is decreased from 20 KB to 12.7. the size is decreased. So guys, if you want to apply, you can apply by resizing the image. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is World of IT, and if you like this video, just give the thumbs up and share this video to your friends also. Thank you for watching me.